because
Now
recorded
it
when
started.
I started. So please
Yeah.
revision.
Yeah. Okay. So the first report you should add high level informations. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And for the second page, okay, you should have some the dashboard title. Okay. Uh, and there must be some spaces right on the right side. So you need to fill
Yeah.
that. You need to fill
This
that
this
or
okay.
yeah, place accordingly. Okay. Don't use some spaces or don't leave as a blank. Okay.
Okay.
Utilize the space. Okay. And
Utilize
or else you can
any type of data we can produce there. Okay.
yes,
Related to
or
that.
else yes, or else you can do one thing. The first report which corresponded to total passenger, right?
Right.
Okay,
First.
so
Okay.
add a title. I mean that first
Okay.
report, yeah,
Add a
first
title.
paragraph.
Okay.
Okay, add a title, and in bar graph also you just add a title. What the first graph
Okay.
refers to? It refers to the total passenger list, male, female, and
Okay.
total, right?
Right.
Okay, if it is total, you should not show it in a bar chart because you should compare, right?
Right.
Compare the measures. You should not add a total value in the bar chart
Okay.
because it's not meaningful. You are not comparing anything with the total. Just put
Yeah.
it, remove the total and show whether it is male is crossed to female or female ratio is crossed male. Okay,
So how to compare these two peoples?
just
Because
remove the
compared to
total.
total, uh,
No,
it
we
will
already
be better
mentioned total
to
in a.
stack. Yeah.
It is already showed in a KP card. Okay.
KP
Now
card.
just
Yeah.
comparing with the two bar chart with the male and one of them is female. That like that you can show it.
So I can use a stock chart. It is better.
Uh, stacked. Yes, put it as stacked. Okay, with a horizontal line, and make it as
Yeah.
a percentage. Make it as a percentage. What is the total
So
percentage of
100% chalked.
percentage?
100% chalked.
Yes, yes, yes.
Bar.
That is what I
Okay.
mean. Yeah, that's why you can compare because you are using male and female, right?
Yeah. Right.
So don't use total, okay? Because
Okay.
it is already mentioned in the KP card. So again, it's repeating, right? Now you can
Right.
show as a percentage. After 100%, how many percentage of male passengers are occupied? Female passengers are occupied.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
like that, all the charts. Okay.
Okay. One more thing, Morgan. You can told before that business related visualization. We must use some colors.
Okay. So business related, okay. For example, if you're having sales or financial data, because the people who are seeing the sales and financial data, they will be CEO or any financial consultant, right? They don't
Right.
prefer the pink or very highlighted colors. They will prefer the medium, okay, the soft
Okay.
colors. Soft colors in the sense the gray, then blue, okay,
Okay.
and this orange, okay, light orange, not a dark orange, okay,
Okay.
then teal blue,
Okay.
okay, and these are the mostly used colors, okay, the frequently used colors you can use. It will good for any sales and financial data, okay.
Okay.
Don't use pink okay, and
Okay. Okay.
yellow you can use if it is any highlighted conditional format. If you want to add conditional formatting, for example, if you are showing some warning information on the bar chart or something like that, you can show it in a yellow
Okay.
color. Or if the profit is below zero or any danger zone, that you can mention in a red color.
Okay.
The green,
Mostly
yellow.
avoid pink and yellow. It is better to
Yes.
avoid.
Yeah. Yeah, mostly avoid yellow, pink. Okay, not yellow. Yellow, some cases we'll use in conditional formatting. Okay,
Okay.
and one more thing is like red, okay, green and yellow. It should be used only in the highlighted colors, highlighted functionalities. For example, you are
The
highlighting
conditional
some value.
formatting, like some
Yes, right.
values built, right?
Yes, right. So apart from that, don't use the green, red, and yellow. in a bar chart or
Specific.
any line chart. Yeah,
Okay. Specific for only for this
for
type of
conditional
format.
formatting. Yeah,
Conditional
conditional
format.
formattings only. Okay,
Right.
so this is the changes in the this report. Okay, so go to the passenger class.
Passenger class. Okay. I will be just like this.
Okay. Um, okay.
Okay.
So always use, okay.
Okay.
Uh, for example, always use or place a slicer on the top, not in the center or something like that. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
or in any corner.
Okay.
Okay, okay, and see here, the first graph, first row, it will refers to the first class, right?
Right.
The second row of two bar chart refers to second class.
Right.
Okay, so don't use as a different graph because, for example, if you select one, the other remaining four charts remain blank. The customer will see void, okay, when they look at a blank screen or blank chart. So
Okay.
don't use this information same in the bar chart. Put as a
Okay.
common. Okay,
Okay.
common in the sense without filtering the first class and second class and third class, put it as the male and female. That's it.
Okay.
And here also you are using total, right?
Right.
Don't use total.
No. 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 I not use total here.
First class passengers. So 323 is that refers to total, right? It is.
Compare total before
Uh,
male and female.
okay, so don't use total. Okay, here also. Okay, just compare with male and
So
female in the
avoid
second class.
total every time. Avoid total every time.
Yes,
Only
yes,
compare
yes,
to. Yeah.
yes.
Okay.
Only waterfall chart, right? So you know waterfall chart. So I
Yeah.
showed you, right? So
Yeah.
only if you use that chart, you can use total. Otherwise, you don't use totals. Or else, if you want to use a table or matrix chart, then you can use total.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Apart from
Uh,
that, don't use total because it's not a comparable axis. Total. Okay.
okay. Every time we compare to total and these two
Yeah.
values.
If you want to show a total, put it as a KPI or a card or something like that. Place it on a top. So under that, you
Okay.
just create a charts. So they can
Okay.
easily identify what is the total value. And from that, what is the female ratio, male ratio in the first class, second class, and third class. That's it.
Okay.
So we don't use all the four charts. Okay, within the single chart itself, you can compare it, right?
Right.
Yeah.
But I more explore what what
Okay,
more
okay. No
explore.
problem. No problem. No problem. No problem. But I just did the corrections. Okay.
Okay. Yeah,
Okay. So
it's
play.
better. I don't know what I have done now. You can come
Mhm.
when I try to that. You can explain what to do, what to not to do. I am without
Yes,
try.
yes.
You can can't do anything.
You know what? The mistakes, okay, will helps to improve our, growth. Okay.
Okay.
So only thing is we need to do mistakes, lot of mistakes. Then only we can be able to correct it, right?
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so
So
much.
fine, super, super, so far so good. Just a few corrections. That's it. Okay. If
Okay.
you done that, okay,
I
okay.
will be
One,
done. I will be done
okay.
every what I am here in. I will be done in weekends. I will be definitely
Weekends, yes.
what these
And
scenarios. I will be compared everything. I will be show one more
sure,
once
sure,
Monday.
sure. And one more thing is like, okay, if you
Okay.
start creating any report, think that you are a customer, you are a user,
Okay.
and create in a way which user prefer. For example, if this report is shown to user or a customer, how they will react, how they will get benefit of this report. If
Okay.
you are not get benefited, definitely user also not get benefit,
Okay.
right?
First, I
So
feel sufficient. I can feel sufficient.
yes,
Otherwise,
whether you can able to understand this data or not, then only they
okay.
can understand, right? Because it's like a
Right.
painting. First, you need to
Right.
like it, then only they will like it, right?
Right.
Yeah,
Good point. Good point.
definitely. Because if you show this type of report to user, how they will react?
I don't know.
Definitely
I think
they will give more feedback on that, right?
no, I don't know. Human are different. How to they react? Maybe. What I have done, satisfactory work. It will be
Mm.
maybe positive or negative. Depends on client. Because on human, psychologically they're different. How to they react? Maybe don't understand. Some peoples will be
Definitely,
good. Some peoples will not.
definitely.
Because
Some
their
people,
inner ways is different. Their inner ways is different. They're thinking.
definitely.
Uh, when I expected something myself, I can't reach that. They will be angry on me. That is human
You know
psychology.
what? You know what? If there will be two difference in US client and Indian client. The
Yeah.
US client give appreciations and then they will give feedback. First, they will appreciate your work. Then they will give
Okay.
a feedback. You know what Indian clients will do? They will first criticize
Reverse.
you.
Reverse.
Yeah, reverse. Okay. So you
Our
need to
also our psychology also go that only. First, we can't reverse. We attack first. After that, we explain everything. In school, sir,
yeah,
everything
definitely.
is like that. First to school,
Definitely,
you go
definitely.
school. First teacher beaten first. After that, teach you. Our mind
Definitely.
also set like that. When appreciate the US client, we
Mhm.
analyze that he is bunching like that. He is appreciate me. He is something push it to me like that. I analyze that. When
Mhm.
he angry with me, what he
Mhm.
say, differently we have opposed them that time. When
Mhm.
I appreciate, we will be calm. When we
Yeah,
angry, we definitely bulldoze on him because our psychology is like that.
yeah,
Environment will be
exactly.
affected in human main, I think.
Definitely. That's why it's practice from the school itself.
Yeah, starting what I'm saying in our schools, first teacher beaten. After that, he
Beat
can listen. After that, he can teach what the class.
Yeah.
First, he can beaten,
Def-
beaten not any abuse like that. After that, he can teach.
yeah, exactly. So you got it right. So first you
Right.
need to think as you are the client or user, how they will
Okay.
see you, how you will see this report. If
Okay.
you are okay with that, okay, you can show or you can fix it. Okay. Otherwise, if still you are not satisfied, you need to fix it. So you need to analyze
Okay.
where I am missing, which part I am missing, whether showing a KPI or showing a dashboard or arranging the dashboard in a way that user feels good. That is what we need to check.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Today, okay, just do the corrections. Okay. And
Okay.
today I will send. So mobile OS usage. This is a simple report. Okay. But here only thing is like you need to play with the dates.
Okay.
That's it. Okay. You need to play with the dates, the operating system, the simple data. Okay.
Murugan, one more question.
Yeah.
DAX code will be performance increased through DAX code?
Comparing to Slicer, the dashboard is very, very good. Yes, it will increase the performance. Okay. Uh, yes, it's very good compared to Slicer. Okay. And here you will see, you will not see the dates. Okay. You will not
Okay.
see some dates. Okay.
Some.
Just copy some dates and paste it here. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
One more thing, Murugan. When I
Uh,
check the quality of data,
mhm.
go for transmission, we check the quality of
Quality.
data, 7400, 90% like that.
Mhm. So actually,
Understand
that
what
is,
I'm
yeah, yeah, I got it, I got it. Maybe we have some
so
blank values,
yeah, null values. There is show
null values.
50% only fit for report
Yes,
like that. It will
yeah,
show
yeah,
column.
yes, exactly. So
So what
those
can
things
do?
we need to, those things we need to remove the null values. Okay,
Okay.
Just
Replace
only
the
for the
value.
practicing purpose, sir. Replace the value with any other number or something like that.
So it will be affected on report also. Definitely, because of we have
Definitely, because
some.
if we have some values, okay. So use this
Okay.
this data, okay, the World Cup results, okay.
Okay.
So what is the World Cup matches? World Cup. So this is the tabular format,
Okay.
which is formatted one. Okay, this is unformatted one. Okay, this
Okay.
is the formatted one, and this is the another data which have the country-wise information. Okay,
Okay.